culture in Sri Lanka. So when we are little, we wear this dress, and when we grow up, we wear it as a sari. So this is our culture. We are representing our Sri Lankan culture here.
Yes. Now it will start from you. Everyone. Yes.
You also do.
making, we do not know.
Station man!
Yes. Please, you're good, yeah? And then join the bogies, join the bogies. Everyone. Oh, yes. Group. Very nice. Others can clap for them, everyone. Great. So, for a minute, Bihari ji, you will count 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Till the count on 1 to 50, the expression should be the same as they are in the character. Laughing?
What is the last character?
Shock.
Shock. Hey, shock is third.
No, she's confused.
Okay.
She doesn't know what to do.
He is more confused.
I am
Shocking
that kid
expression.
who is in class but not in class.
Okay, yes, 1 to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 50.
Thank you. Now I want to know from the monitor of my class. You're the monitor of my class. Shall I release these small children?
No, the monitor will ask the teacher to keep quiet until she stops counting.
No, I got a cute monitor of my class. So what shall I do with these children? We need to excuse them? Okay. Oh, I love you so much. Okay. So please take them to their seats.
Thank you. From tomorrow, okay, you have to pick you up. And you.
Yes, you may. Don't repeat it again. Naughty ones. Teacher is teaching in the class and you're disturbing me? Notorious. Now, finger on the lip. All four of you, finger on the lip. That's good. Oh, I'm sorry. All boys and girls, we were at the station. We learned cities. We learned states. We learned transportation. What else?
Sound of the engine.
Very good. Sound of the engine. Okay, and what else?
Enjoying the journey together.
Yes.
Kiosk is also with Sri Lanka.
Yes. How many chairs towards the right of the podium? Ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 6 into 3, 18 chairs.
No.
Okay.
Right of the podium.
18
Left.
plus 3, 4, 20.
No, his right, no? His right. This is the podium.
Okay.
It is 4. Okay, please sit down. Good observation. Yes, ma'am, quickly play it. So this is the COBS experiential model. quickly run the slides. See, whatever we did, everything explained over here. Just hold on. Audio, visual, audio, verbal, visual, recording, watching, reproductive, your abstract conceptualization, concrete experiencing, active experimentation, everything, whatever, kinesthetic also. We did everything. Everything was covered in the activities. Yes, next. Teamwork, yes. We imagined empathy, connections and all. Reflections were there. We analyzed. We thought about, decided. Problems, see. Do not think for the problems, reach to the solution. Teachers especially I'm talking about, do not grip in front of your principal, in front of your management, this problem or the other problem. Please give the solutions also if you come out with the problems. Next. And never finish the work only at the deadline. You should be proactive. Finish your work beforehand. Next. Next. Be balanced and resourceful. Yes. Learning by doing. Very nice. Next. Benefits. Lots and lots of benefits. Next. Next. Thank you and over to Lakhvali ma'am, please. Thank you for the patient children and for the wonderful coordination and the wonderful team spirit and participation. Thank you so much. Lovely audience. Lovely children.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I warmly invite Ms. Lakmali Senaviratna to do her expert talk about enhancing teaching effectiveness through reflective practices and positive reinforcement.
Thank you, Ma'am Shelley.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Shelley,
Oh,
for that
thank you so
wonderful
much.
session. Thank you. Okay, all of you have a pack of stationery. Can you have it open, please? Yeah, just have it open on your table. Boost your teaching with reflection and positive reinforcement. Teaching is a dynamic profession that requires constant improvement. Reflection practices and positive reinforcements are two powerful tools for enhancing teaching effectiveness. This presentation will guide you through the importance of implementation. Reflective practices. Reflective practices involves self-assessment and analysis of our teaching methods. They help identify strengths and areas for improvement and encourage continuous professional development. It can be implemented through journaling, peer observations, and feedback sessions. Let's reflect on no two students are alike. Just reflect, no two students are alike. The way every person learns will vary. Our brains are all unequal. Agree or disagree? Our experiences all contribute to the different wavelengths of learning. Right, here we go. Self-questioning. Write what you think you are. You have to reflect. Ask yourself, who am I? What do you think? Okay, right. Okay, no. This is work. You're going to open this big piece of paper and all of you are writing together on one big paper. By the way. So you all have to write. Just let me explain. Okay? So you have to start from here, from the sides. Okay? Yeah, on the sides, from the corners of the page. So you write towards the center of the paper. Okay, so you start your first writing. You have to write at the edge, on the edge. Right? Big handwriting, please. Right? Who am I?
One answer or many answers? Anyone? One answer?
So you
One
should
answer?
put
Yeah,
your
just one
certificate
answer.
or
What
whatever
do
we
you
are.
feel? What do you feel you are? You got to write. What do you feel you are? What are you? Who am I? Alright? Everybody got to write? Just keep writing. Right here. Big handwriting, please. Big letters on the edge. Okay? Yeah. Alright? What do you feel now? They are reflecting.
You right here.
What?
Anything. Who am I?
No, not one word. Reflecting.
That's my name. Yes. Yes.
Beautiful. This is torch Asamada. Beautiful. And it's looking like a duck. It is a duck. With proper eye, beak, wings, feet. Crying emoji. So smiling. इसका भी कुछ है क्या?
See the center you change. This. Change it this. It becomes this.
Happy.
It's only the focus point of your views make you happy or sad.
How can you write Shelly artistically? SHELLY. सुंदर सा जैसे ऐसा है. ELLY.
Almost it. What you feel. Sentence, paragraph, I don't care. It's just like you write what you feel. What you feel.
SHELLY. Oh, so quickly. You just take a picture, Shalina. Then I will learn this. You are so talented. Who
You
took
realize
it?
now.
No.
So late.
You have to write one sentence or one word. I have written a word, then explained.
Right. From each table, can you tell me what somebody say? What did you write?
I'm
Let's start.
grateful. I'm grateful.
Grateful.
I am beautiful.
Tell me, voice please.
I will
I am Vibha the Vibrant.
all the qualities come together and then you should spread to everyone.
I'm a good person.
Wish to.
Bliss.
I'm a good
Realize.
teacher.
Bliss.
See, it comes out very fast when you shade it. You are not able to read it because the inside and outside is same. When you shade it, it becomes easy to read. Just shade it.
Enthusiastic.
Shade it, it becomes easy to read. Everybody can do it. Otherwise, it takes some time.
I wrote multiple.
Correct, no?
I wrote is who am I? So I am an engineer. I'm a father, brother, son, husband, and a student.
Shalina, इसका रोस्टर तैयार है? नहीं, देखने के लिए आगे क्या है?
Okay, what I have written here is I'm a reflector right now in this classroom, and I'm also enjoying the warmness of this class. And And the important thing that right now is that I am a learner, enthusiastic learner.
इसी के साथ जा हाँ वो तो मसूदा नहीं थी ना मैंने मसूदा का सेशन करा
ओके पैनल एक्टिविटी
नहीं पहले इससे पहले वो टी पैक का पता नहीं क्या था पता
हाँ, हाँ।
तो टी पैक किसका था पता नहीं मसूदा
I said I am a child at heart and I'm a
ओके
learner.
फाइन सो नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद दिस
हाँ अब मसूदा इसका चल रहा है लखनऊ का
I'm a learner.
ये सब तो
and
है
I'm a child
हमारे
at heart.
mindfulness ये शी इज आल्सो डन दिस जम्स हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस दिस जम्स
I am in school.
बाद लंच के बाद में
All the children are part of my
किस सर का है
पोस्ट लंच
हाँ जेम्स का किस सर का
मन काफी कम है सेशन
Hello. Okay, I am Anjana Nuitel, Principal and Facilitator from Nepal. Present, I am very happy to be a part of this global conference, and my wish is to have such a very smart kids in my classroom also, and I think that life is a process of learning. Thank you.
1 to 2 is lunch after this उसके बाद जम्स
Benefits of reflective
दो
practices
सेशन है आज
promote self-awareness and critical
and this is
thinking,
tomorrow
leads to more effective and innovative teaching strategies, enhances student engagement and learning outcomes. I hope you all agree with me, right? And fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Experimenting with new ideas. Next question. You have 24 hours to live. What would you do in your last 24 hours? Right. Think. Reflect. You are supposed to reflect. These are your last 24 hours. What would you do? What would you do? Yeah. Your last 24 hours.
From yesterday this time to now.
From today to tomorrow.
What you have done?
From today to tomorrow. What would you do?
Acha, but you are asking for the past also. Both.
See, you have 24 hours to live. Okay, so let's start
Going to be
from
killed
now.
by her after 24 hours.
Yes, your thing, 24 hours. You have 24 hours. What are you going to do? Okay, what would you do? You have 24 hours. Just think, you think.
To impress God, not to.
अच्छा हाँ चाहिए था अच्छा तो मैं उसको ही दो बीच में कुछ साथ करीब चल रहा मसूदा ना कि उसका भी करेंगे टी का भी देखो दिल्ली में जब उनको उठना पड़ता है आप लोगों का आना कितना देर हो गया ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का प्रॉब्लम था दिल्ली में सेशन
Yeah, it's,
Is it happening? I can have a copy, right?
I will have you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Learning new things.
Oh yes!
Shall we start?
Yes, yeah.
All right, here we go. Tell me.
I'll count my blessing and give gratitude for
Are
everything.
you all ready? Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So
I
yours, Mike.
I talked about my introspection.
Okay. Next table. I'll go this way, okay? Right.
I want to be with my girls. Spend time with my family members. I definitely ask for forgiveness from all the others, and then definitely I spend the rest of my time with my family.
I think what we've written is spend time with family and meet new friends.
Yeah. First, I want to say sorry to my loved ones if I did any mistake in past. Second, again, I want to spend my time with my core family and lots of shopping and also.
मरने के पहले शॉपिंग करने का
Shopping what
And
you
there's
have.
one people left.
Spend
I
the money
want to
for that
give
as
the-
well.
on the- yeah.
Look at the perspectives,
Back
na?
to society,
Different people
something I
having
can do in the last 24 hours, maybe donate and then spend some good time with my family.
Okay, once you are donating, please remember me.
When is Bijubai birthday coming?
See, when I came to know that I have only 24 hours, so there is nothing for myself to do anything. So whatever I have, knowledge, the values, wealth, so that is the time I should share with my family, with my friends, with my colleagues, and in fact for everyone. So sharing is the caring is the mantra for last 24 hours.
Lovely, nice, because that would be my wish too, because to spend time with my family.
Madam, this diagram is showing that question mark and behind it
नहीं मैं वाइंड अप करा दूँ
Rubit.
1 o'clock
Downward
रूम रेडी हो गया ना
Landed,
मैंने
no?
भेज दिया था
Man should be,
Masuda landed?
teacher should be act as a
She has sent a not landed, okay? But she has sent a message that she is landed.
she's landed
See, how can she send cab I arranged?
Well,
See, that message
if I'm
came
known
from
for 24 hours, what I'll feel is I'll meet my loved ones, I'll pray peacefully and give myself to the nature who
बता ही
created me.
देते
It already came then also. If I'll get only 24 hours time to be alive, I would like to meet all my beloved ones and families and enjoy with them, being the prettiest and enjoying yummy food. Thank you.
These are all fantasies.
If I have 24 hours, I think I'll spend all of it with my friends and family, and also make sure I am able to give to those who are not as fortunate as I am.
I have 24 hours to do and spend my time in dance and pray.
150 circus session
Having a
lunch के बाद
24 hours is very stressing. First of all,
lunch के बाद
very
immediately after
stressing.
that,
So if I have only 24 hours, I will go to party, dance, cry loudly, talk loudly, eat delicious food, and enjoy myself. And I'll pray to the God to give me 24 more years.
Party, take me please.
उल्टा पुल्टा हो गया था ऑटो ड्राइवर डाइड
In last 24 hours, I will just sow the seed of peace and happiness.
रंजनी gift.
अच्छा रंजनी को जानते हो मैं
So रंजनी को मैसेज भेजा मैं एक पता के पिक्चर लेके आया she will be happy right. The other day I wore something
Okay.
which is Mohammed
Just see this first. Okay, we go to the next slide, please.
Where there is somebody else.
The cycle of ongoing learning that occurs when teachers and educators take the time to stop,
Mohammed sir,
stop,
hey,
think,
Lakmani, you
challenge.
didn't ask me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Come.
24 hours I am in bliss, so it just goes in 24 seconds.
Thank you.
The difficult part in this world is waiting for death. Right? And whatever you said will not happen. I have seen almost close to that 4 times in my life. Nobody can wait for death. That is the biggest punishment. All of you are in a different dream
We
world.
can prepare ourselves.
Never ever.
We can do practice, sir. Actually, because death is truth.
जो भी ट्रूथ है
Right.
मोमेंट आता है
So-
तब पता चलेगा है ना
Teachers and educators take the time
everything will
to
vanish
stop,
and
think,
it is in front of us.
challenge, and change
dream
their
to
practices.
have one more moment in life. Last breath, extend it.
Right, okay. Discussing with other colleagues. Note 1. You have the name of an animal. You have a name of an animal. Right? So, total development. So, you got to write what, by looking at the name of the animal, you got to answer all this. Just write something, what you would teach or what you would from the what you would learn from the animal and what you would do for for development. Yes. Right? So in your team you got to share. What will you write on? You can't
For everybody it is bad.
You can do cognitive, you can do language, you can do social, emotional, development. What would you do?
Ma'am, we have different animals for different tables.
Yes, different animals for different tables.
We don't have much. कुछ animal का नाम है? नहीं. You have any animal name? There is bear.
So all of you, right, have crocodile. Right.
I don't know. This is a question. No.
Crocodile. What is social?
Kangaroo. Okay. Note 1. You have total development, cognitive, social, emotional, language, number. You have 2 tasks, 3 tasks for each activity.
Animal, from that animal, what would you think share